we are. We're at the Stratford station with Nature, and we met a lovely, beautiful woman from Portugal who allowed Jazwa to use her phone. As you can see, she's prettying up herself, more than she's pretty already, doing her nails. And Nature is going to present her, a beautiful woman here from Portugal, with a CD and a promo picture. Thank you very much. Good reggae music. He's playing at the Koko'S in London tonight, and in Camden actually. All right, so oh yeah, he's playing at 9 o'clock. Koko'S. So enjoy the CD.
Thank you.
And enjoy the picture and enjoy the rest of your weekend.
I am a father. I am holy father. Watch out! Original natural, but I stay coming at the street and me and the brother. Oh now, rock to the party, oh now, original natural, but I stay look at this. Someone still but someone gold working with blood. Someone diamond, someone pearl.